This time we'll take it slow. Take it slow. Oh, this time we'll take it slow.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our show, The Nest. My name is Susan Hall, and I'm the events officer of the Guild.
And I'm Chanel Blackman, returning officer of the Guild.
And it's episode 10, Spring Cleaning.
Hi everyone, my name is Martina Magalaj and I'm the International Affairs Committee Chairperson for the academic year 2021 to 2022. And a fun fact about me is your flower Portuguese.
What do you say?
I speak Portuguese.
Oh,
That's not what I heard. And you are?
Hi guys, my name is Kimar Hines and I'm the National Affairs Committee Chairperson for the Guild for the academic year 2021 to 2022. And a fun fact about myself is that I can write with both hands.
ah, that's nice. And we actually have an extra guest today. We have Jonathan, our little lammy. Martina named him. And yeah, let's get right into it.
When you guys hear the word spring, what comes to mind?
Flowers, picnics, flying kites. Yeah.
What about you, Kumar?
Spring baths, bathing in Corey Spring.
So,
For me, I just think about like happy people skipping. And that makes sense, like this.
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, yeah.
For me, sunflowers, cool breezes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kimar said spring bath.
Okay, so in the spirit of renewal, we didn't let Jonathan speak. We're sorry. In the spirit of renewal, what's one thing that you would like to work on personally?
Probably procrastination. Like I procrastinate a lot. So I have to use like Pomodoro to help me get things done and finish tasks.
You have to use what?
Like Pomodoro the app. Like so it times you. So you have like 10 minutes to do work, 10 minutes to take a break. Like that's the only way that will help me like actually sit down and complete tasks.
That's a great suggestion. I don't even know about
Yeah,
that.
Yeah.
I need to try that.
It helps, but I still procrastinate to start the Pomodoro. So
Okay.
yeah, I think procrastination is something big for me.
Yeah, so I think time management schedule to start with, well, a more effective one would aid me in better managing my time, and it will allow me to be more efficient and effective in going about my daily tasks.
Okay.
I'm really trying to think about my answer. I don't know my answer. You go first, and you.
For me, I would have to say controlling my emotions. That has been a long journey. I mean, I have made progress, but I'm not finished. So for me, learning to completely be in control of my emotions.
Repeat the question for me.
In the spirit of renewal, what's one thing you would like to work on personally?
Being on time. Oh no, seriously, I have gotten so ridiculously bad. I don't know what's wrong. Like I don't know how I don't know that I need a certain amount of time to get ready and do that. Like I wake up like this morning, I had 3 alarms: 7:30, 7:45, 8 o'clock, and I had to be somewhere for 10. Right? That's fine at all, but I was kind of late. I need to be more on time. Yes, because that's gotta behavior.
So accountability check. We're about to grab our shirts
Let
and
it
whatever.
go.
But did you make any New Year resolutions? And if so, are you on target?
I mean, my New Year's resolutions were more about like to travel more, make the most out of my last semester here, worry less about like the small things. So I've been trying to go out and just have fun with my friends. But I think as the semester is getting a lot more hectic, it's been harder for me to try to appreciate all the smaller things because assignments are piling up and I'm trying to focus on all of that amidst other responsibilities. So this was a good reminder to enjoy the small things and relax. So yeah.
I think the pandemic sort of changed my outlook on having New Year's resolutions because obviously we saw how quickly things could change up.
Yeah.
And for me, avoiding the disappointment, not saying that I shouldn't plan in advance for things that are important to my future.
Yeah.
But the rapid changes caused by the ongoing pandemic sort of caused me not to make too great of a New Year's resolution. But as my colleague would have said, like basic stuff like working out on a daily basis and doing more reading. Yeah, I was able to manage simple tasks like that and improve on it. So I would say on track.
Love that for y'all.
I don't know why mine is always be weird. Like I feel like y'all got nice resolutions. Mine was simply to like fold my clothes as soon as I wash them.
That's a good one, though.
No, but am I following inside? Okay, I am, right? So I fold my clothes. Okay. This is what I did, right? Because I made a New Year's resolution to fold my clothes as soon as I wash them. I stopped washing. And then my father forced me to wash, and then I didn't have time to fold them, so I think I broke it. That's it.
For me, it was, like Kimar said, the pandemic kind of changed my perspective on things. So my resolution was actually make room for a change. If you know me, I am very, like, this will be done here, then, this way.
Yeah.
And yeah, so it was basically make room for change and to live in the moment.
Yeah.
So you're following it?
Yes, girl, I am living my best life.
Her.
What advice would you guys give someone who isn't on target though? Because we could appreciate that, that could be very difficult and stressful for someone.
For sure, give yourself grace. There's no perfect timing for anything. I think that's something that I've learned the last year and the year before, that your timing is not the same timing as John's timing or Susie's timing, and things eventually end up working once you know you're putting in the work and you're doing what you need to do. So if you fall down, that's okay, get back up, dust yourself off and keep on going.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Worldwide.
It's true, but the falling down part is a part of the process. So people need to understand that when you fall down and you get back up, it doesn't mean you're starting from square one.
No.
Yeah.
It's just, it's part of it. Yeah.
For me, what I would say to them is that enjoy the journey, because I think most persons tend to focus on the end and actually not
it's so true.
get to enjoy the current situation and the moment, and that in itself sometimes cause persons to go into a state of depression and feeling less than others and a whole different host of emotions, right? So for me, I think actually living in the present and expressing a sense of gratitude for where we are now and appreciating also how far we've came from. I think that is very important, acknowledging and also charting where we intend to go, but live in the moment and appreciate it.
Not to out her business, but my best friend actually called me this morning crying about she's feeling stagnant, right? And I told her the same thing you said. The problem is that you're looking at the future, which is okay. People like to plan for the future, but just focus on the next step. Look at what happened already. Focus on the next step. Know that you completed the degree and you have an option if you want to do another degree. If you don't want, like, focus on the next step. Life is not
Rigid.
Yeah. Right. You get through it.
So speaking about enjoying stuff and living in the moment, what's that one thing you need or must do to relax and rejuvenate?
Go to the beach, for sure. Go to the beach for sure. If I'm overwhelmed, once I can, throw my bathing suit, head down the hill at the beach, sit in the sand, take in some sun, go in the water. It's always therapeutic, always resets me. 10 out of 10, go to the beach.
always?
I actually am a beach lover as well, but I think long drives. I like to go for drives, sightseeing. I think
What's a good?
picturesque views in Barbados kind of calm my nerves, and I guess some places have. Sorry. I don't know if it's a particular atmosphere or feeling associated with them that kind of puts me back in the groove for doing something. So like for example, like if I'm not in the mood to exercise and I'm feeling overwhelmed and stuff like that at night, I would say we go for a drive and I end up at the beach, right? I feel like as soon as I hit the water, I start swimming, and then my body gets back into the groove of being active again, and it automatically resets me. So long drives and the beach as well, therapeutic.
Yep.
Very therapeutic.
For sure.
In my mind, all I hear is material girl because it's shopping.
Shopping?
Shopping. Guys, I have a problem.
For real?
I need to shop.
But what do you buy?
I
Like-
need to spend money.
Like clothes or
guys,
food or...
Clothes, candles, wine.
Oh,
I need to shop.
And
Shopping,
you feel better, or is it just a distraction?
I feel better. Shopping is my self-care.
splurge.
I need to shop.
For me is journaling. So I love to write. I like to write poems and what would I call it? Dramatic pieces? I don't know. Let me write me.
Yeah.
Or constantly. I like to write my
Spoken word.
feelings, spoken word, anything, and I feel better. Yeah, that's journaling.
Yeah. First move we're gonna do, Jonathan. Stretch your legs. Jeez. That's crazy.
So hi everybody. So this segment we're going to do some yoga, and Jonathan is also going to join us in some yoga. Okay, so feet spread apart, shoulder width apart, and we're going to start with some breathing. So as you breathe in, you're going to raise your hands to breathe in, and you're going to look up and hold, and we're going to hold, and then you're going to let back down again when you exhale. Okay, ready? So we're going to breathe in. And we're gonna exhale. Yes, Jonathan, let it out. We're gonna inhale again. What's going on? Oh shit. Oh, not me kissing.
Get it! Get it, she! Get it, she! Bring it back!
So the next segment, we're actually gonna go onto the mats. So Jonathan, Jonathan's gonna have to join with us. So you're gonna arch your back in and lift your head up. And we're stretching.
Wait. What are you doing, Martina?
So you're arching your back in. Yeah, it is. It is.
But look at her
Martina, your hands are there. Martina, where are your hands?
Okay, we can go to another one. But from this one, we're gonna go up into downward dog. So you're gonna come back up. Yeah?
Ready, set. We have a good start. Pushing hard. Pepsi on there right
Wait, where are we setting?
here.
Oh, okay.
It is Akela Marshall.
Oh, poor Jonathan. Poor Jonathan. Yeah, then you're gonna grab your toes.
This time we'll take it slow. This time we'll take it slow. Go figure, you were the trigger. You brought me to an obstructive view when you knew the picture was bigger. Who am I kidding? Knew from the beginning you'd ruin everything, every time. You are no friend of my motherfucker. You motherfucking bright, you motherfucking bright, I'm bitter. You motherfucking bright, I'm triggered. You motherfucking bright eyed. Tryna let the time fly. Tryna let the time go by.
That ain't Lion King.
Ah!
So many guys. Come on, chini wa.
Go. Okay.
History, all that's history. I'll calm down eventually. Calm down eventually.
Oh wait, what does he have to say? What do you have to say? Okay, and he's going.
Thanks for tuning into our episode 10, and stay tuned to episode, give me one more finger, 11 soon.